Child support does not automatically change when a child ages out. I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth. We're doing a series here related to Oklahoma child support, the Oklahoma child support guidelines. And this is an important question that comes up a lot, which is if I have a child age out, meaning turns 18 and graduated from high school, then does that automatically lower child support if you have other kids on the order? And the big secret, what everybody needs to know, is that if one child ages out, but you have other childs that have not aged out, that does not automatically change your child support. They're going to keep collecting it as normal, and it's going to keep going on like that until you do something. Now, what do you have to do? You have to file to modify, and you can't modify child support retroactively, so you can only modify it back to the date that you file your motion with the court, whether it's the district court or an Oklahoma DHS administrative court. You have to file that motion to modify, alleging that the child aged out, which is a basis to modify. And then at that point, once you get a new order in place where the child support is determined based on, say, 2 kids instead of 3 kids, or 1 child instead of 2 children, depending on what the circumstances are, it can be retroactive only to the date that you file your motion. So every day that you wait to file a modification after your child is staged out is a potential additional day where you're paying more child support than you otherwise would under the Oklahoma child support guidelines. So what the main message is that it does not automatically modify when one child ages out. When there are other kids under the order, you have to be proactive and file with the court. If you've got any questions about that in your specific circumstances, want some legal advice, you're going to need to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially in order to get legal advice. So if you want to get that with somebody at my office, you can get it scheduled by going online to makelawEasy.com.